Today I am reviewing the Whynter Portable Air Conditioner 14. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Hey everyone! Today, we are taking a close look at a machine that has earned serious bragging rights in the home comfort world. We are diving into a comprehensive review of the Whynter ARC-14S Portable Air Conditioner. This unit was actually awarded Good Housekeeping's Best Overall Portable Air Conditioner. So expectations are incredibly high. If you have a large bedroom, a studio apartment, or a living room that turns into an oven during the summer months, you will want to listen closely to see if this unit lives up to the hype. Let us start with the core numbers, because air conditioner specifications can be a little confusing. This unit is rated at 14,000 BTU of traditional cooling power, which translates to a modern 9,500 SACC rating under the newer, stricter testing standards. What those numbers mean in the real world is that this machine is a powerhouse. It is specifically engineered to cool down large spaces up to 500 square feet. The secret to its exceptional speed and efficiency lies in its dual-hose design. Unlike cheap, single-hose portable air conditioners that constantly pull warm air back into your room through cracks under your doors, this Whynter unit uses one hose to draw fresh air from the outside to cool the internal machinery, and a second hose to exhaust the hot, humid air right back out the window. This creates a balanced, closed-loop system that cools your room down significantly faster while saving on your energy bill. Versatility is another major highlight here. The unit features 3 distinct operational modes: cooling mode, dehumidify mode, and a standalone fan mode with 3 customizable speeds. It offers full thermostatic control, allowing you to set your ideal temperature anywhere from 61 degrees to 89 degrees Fahrenheit. Despite all this heavy-duty cooling power, Whynter designed this unit with peace and quiet in mind. When running on low speed, it operates at just 51 decibels. To put that into perspective, that is quieter than a normal conversational voice, making it an ideal choice for bedrooms or home offices where you need to sleep or focus without a loud compressor buzzing in your ear. Plus, it is built with the planet in mind, utilizing advanced CFC-free cooling fluid. If you live in a climate with high humidity, you know that sticky air can make a room feel way hotter than it actually is. The ARC-14S addresses this with a massive built-in dehumidifier capable of pulling up to 71 pints of moisture out of the air every single day. The best part? You won't have to constantly baby this machine. It features a patented auto-drain function that automatically uses the warm exhaust air to evaporate and expel the collected moisture right out of the window hose. In most normal environments, you will never have to worry about manually emptying a heavy, messy water tank. Whynter makes sure you have everything you need right out of the box to get up and running in minutes. The unit measures 19 inches deep, 16 inches wide, and stands 35.5 inches tall. It comes bundled with a full window installation kit that extends from 20 inches up to 46 inches, making it compatible with most standard horizontal or vertical sliding windows. You also get dual extendable hoses that reach up to 60 inches long, a washable pre-filter to trap dust, an activated carbon filter to scrub odors out of the air, and even a custom storage bag to protect the unit during the winter off-season. To wrap it all up, the Whynter ARC-14S completely earns its award-winning reputation. By combining a dual-hose system with powerful 14,000 BTU cooling, whisper-quiet performance, and a heavy-duty dehumidifier, it delivers unmatched performance for rooms up to 500 square feet. It is efficient, reliable, and incredibly easy to install. If you are ready to beat the summer heat and reclaim your comfort, this portable air conditioner is an investment you will not regret.